Whoa. Dude, what's up, bro?
Oh, what's up?
I'm gonna pop up the dude's Instagram because he was such a chiller. But we met this guy in the In-N-Out because we saw him pull up on a literal brand new Ducati V4 2025. When I say brand new, I mean only 10 miles on it from the dealership that is close to here. That guy was so cool. He let us like sit on the bike and like feel how light it was and the aggressive state. Oh, it was so cool. Yeah, dude, sorry for being late, man.
Where'd you park?
Literally just right here.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, what did he just yell? I could not hear that.
I think he said pack it in closer because there's going to be 3 or 400 people.
Alright. Oh. Skirt.
Did you have this bike when we were at In-N-Out?
Yeah.
Or were you on a different one?
No, I was on this one. Yeah.
And you said there was going to be like 300 or 400 people here.
God damn, really? Alright, we're making this the no shenanigans cop lookout run. What's really funny, dude, if you get close, you can see it if you look over. Because my speedometer, I wasn't kidding, this shit isn't working. It says yeah, dude. It says a crisp 0 miles an hour. Yeah, dude, I'm so serious. It's really fucking funny. I know I said full cop run. I lied like a little bit. Just only a little bit. Moderate speeding. Yeah. Dude, how dare there be cars on my racetrack? What the fuck? Yeah. Damn, he's going for it. We're playing Warzone. Alright. Now let's let a bigger gap form. We're just gonna catch up to all those cars way too damn fast. A good time is like whenever the light turns and it's go red and before it goes green again is usually good launch point. Once the weather gets like a little bit cooler, it's gonna be so sick. You wanna just send it, gentlemen? Let's fucking let's rip this. God damn, I cannot see. Ah, red light. That's not very kind. Oh, bang, 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 bang. Here, I'm gonna pull into the county line barbecue to turn it around. But how was that? Did anybody die? Fantastic. Oh, is Curtis in the back? Okay. Ah, damn, that sucks. Honestly, that might have been on me. It's not unusual for, like, if someone like me splits through a car, they get angry and don't want to let anybody through, so they'll just start cutting people off. Can I squeeze in through here? Yes. Oh, holy shit. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the thing we will never talk about. I'm just gonna keep going and avoid the secondhand embarrassment. That was stupid. Not my best idea, gentlemen. I appreciate it. Where the fuck all these cars come from? Where is everybody going? It is 8:30. Go home. I want to see if we can get a bit of a gap going. It should be good enough after these guys. Kawasaki 60 horsepower in a dream. Let's go. Group connection lost. Wow. Fucking me, group connection lost. Group connection, come back. Oh, I saw them back. There we go. I got that fucking group connection lost and I was like, oh shit. Here, I'm back at the gas station again. Yeah. Oh, dude. I'll do evil things to a can of Twisted Teas. You got no fucking idea. Damn. Yeah. Here, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can't split here, so when I do it, they get mad at me. And I'm just like a cool little guy. I mean, come on. You don't gotta be so mad. Yeah. Dude, I saw the decal on that car and I was like, oh fuck. And it's just a fucking... Oh man. Here, you guys go ahead of me. It's less fun if I just